How you doing, people? Thank you for joining Vet 51 here. That is me, and I am going to bring to you today a new item that I purchased online, and I bought two of them. I'll show you both of them and give you the differences on them, because you're going to wonder what the hell is it. Alright, so I received these items in the mail yesterday. The wait is a while. Technically, they say 3 to 5 weeks because they're so busy. CTS Engineering is what they're called, and all they are is that they manufacture different type of buffers. Now, this buffer for rifle length is to replace the one inside with your spring, your buffer spring. And this one is for your carbon. Okay, right now I'm going to do a change with first my rifle that I put together for long range shooting. I made a video about this, I put together on this a while ago. So let's try and just simple. Woo, stuff in there. Pusher. There we go. They have a couple of different. They have one with tilt and one without. Okay, this is what I'm replacing. Okay, mind you, this is a rubber. It's a hard rubber. Okay, it's really good. I seen a review, and the reviews have come back really good. So I'm putting this in today. Fits right in. Simple as that. There we go. Cool. That's one down. Now I'm going to put my carbon. This is my specialty. People say it looks like it's heavy. Hey, if you can't hold it, don't shoot it. Now, the issue, whoa, you know what I forgot all about? Is that I have this stuck up front. Let me take off the whole thing. Because I have made so many adjustments to this thing, it's unreal. Because this one is gas piston. I changed it some time ago. I did a video on that as well. It's a little hard. Oh, there it is. There we go. Now, normally, you'd be like, oh, doing a quick go out and shoot. But I'm putting this on, and I'm going to go out there because it's late in the day. And I'm going to shoot it, give a shot at it tomorrow, because it's already that late in the day. This is the hard part with it. But all in all, it doesn't bother me none. If you're someone who likes to mess with these things, and there we go. Oh, this is going to be beautiful. I can already tell. Especially being that push that in. There we go. Nice and simple. Nice and simple. And good. There we go. By the way, if you wonder what the heck, this is a Falcon 37. It's a charging handle. There we go. Tomorrow I'm going to go out there. I'm going to do some shooting with these items and see how things go. And I'll give you my idea on how I feel the difference between these buffers and those new CTS engineering buffers and how they work. Alrighty. Well, thank you. It's only been a short video, but that's all it was meant for. I would say I appreciate you watching. Press that like button. Subscribe. I'm not a major channel, but hey, you know what? Every now and then you might see something that interests you. Throw me a comment, throw me a question, and I'll do the best I can for you. Okay? Layman's terms, as best as I can, I'll try to get you an answer. Alright? So, until next time, I'll see you. Be good, be strong, and you know what? A new one, be patriotic, and always have a weapon. Until next time, you have a good night, and thank you for watching Vet 51.